Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalam ala bisalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain la haula wala quwwata illa billah. Yang berhormat Datuk Mazli Malik, Menteri Pendidikan Malaysia merangkap Presiden Universiti Islam Antarabangsa, yang berbahagia Datuk Seri Syed Hussein Al-Qadir, Ahli Majlis Lembaga, warga UIA, para pelajar yang dikasihi sekalian. Kita melafazkan syukur kepada Allah SWT kerana kita dapat bersama-sama pada hari ini untuk menerima kembali Presiden UIA yang juga bekas akademik di universiti ini, untuk mendengar ucapan sulung beliau kepada kita, untuk mendapat inspirasi daripada apa yang beliau nak berikan kepada kita untuk universiti ini untuk bagi masa hadapan. Saya rasa amat teruja dengan kehadiran kita bersama-sama pada hari ini untuk mendapat restu daripada Allah SWT supaya kita dapat bekerja terus tentang apa yang perlu kita lakukan bagi universiti ini. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really very honored to welcome the President for his inaugural presidential address tonight, to be inspired and also to listen to what he has to say as far as his university is concerned. He has been committed, and I've said this many times, to make sure that UIA or IIUM to be the best in this part of the world, as he said it, to be the Oxford of the Muslim world. This is something that we are looking forward to, and I hope we are not only going to be the Oxford of the Muslim world, I'm also hoping that Oxford will be the IIU of the West. In other words, we have a big challenge ahead of us, and I'm indeed very comfortable to know that all of us are in this together to make sure that this vision of ours will come true. I would like to recall there's a lot of similarities between what's happening today and the kind of experience that I've got so many years ago. When I was the first Vice-Chancellor, was made the first Vice-Chancellor in USM in the year 2000, the minister at that particular time was an academic. You may not remember, it was Tan Sri Musa Muhammad, who used to be the Vice-Chancellor of University of Science Malaysia. And after that, I went through 4 other ministers before I ended my service in 2011. Let me share with you the best time I had when the minister was an academic. He understood what university was all about. It's easy to manage a university without having to go through all the rigmaroles that other non-academics do not understand. And tonight, I'm very blessed in the sense that I come here as a rector, and I've got another academic as a minister of the Ministry of Education. From the last 2 months that I've been engaging with him and also the ministry, I felt it is the same way that I was engaging with Tan Sri Musa at the same time. The wavelength is the same, we are in sync, and many of the stories that we heard are the stories that's familiar with our daily routines and also the kind of things that we want to do. So I'm really hoping that with Yang Berhormat Dr. Mazli Malik here, he will be able to boost not only UIA, but all other universities to return back to what university used to be. And inshallah, this is the kind of prayers that we hope Allah will bless on us. And also, when I was the Vice-Chancellor in USM was then 30 years old. And we worked through it, and as you know, we become the apex university. Coincidentally, I became the rector here, and IIUM is only 35 years old, just about 30 years old. And inshallah, if the story goes well, we will be also the apex university again in Malaysia. So that much of coincidence, I think it is not just a coincidence, we will make it a reality. And I call upon all of you to work very hard with us. After listening to the minister today and the president, I hope you will be more committed to make this university what it used to be, the pride of the Muslim world, if not the whole world as such. On that note, thank you for coming here tonight. Thank you for assembling here, and thank you for giving your hearts and mind to what we're going to listen today to the esteemed minister. On that note, Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. And happy New Year.